Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Fireflies AI account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you unlink or remove your Dropbox account from your Firefly AI account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove your Dropbox from your Fireflies AI account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's pretty common to switch over to a different service provider. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Fireflies AI account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Fireflies AI, and this is the home screen. Here on the home screen, if you want to unlink or remove your Dropbox, here on the left side, you're going to click on integrations. Once you do that, you want to click in the search bar and just type in Dropbox. Once you do that, you're going to see the Dropbox logo. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, once you click in there, it's going to show you the settings for your Dropbox integration. You're also going to see a green check mark right here. So in order to disconnect your Dropbox, you're going to click on this purple button right here. Now, one thing I want to let you know is if you want to temporarily disable your Dropbox, so that way the files are not being saved into your Dropbox, you can easily just click on disable up here on the right, and then you can re-enable it at a later time. However, if you're sure you don't want to save the transcriptions into your Dropbox, you can just go ahead and click on disconnect. All right, and a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my Dropbox has been disconnected from my Fireflies AI. So it's no longer going to save my meetings into my Dropbox unless I come back in here and reconnect it. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unlink or remove your Dropbox from Fireflies AI, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.